Quality of hides and skins, fleshing. It is important that people producing hides and skins during informal home slaughtering or commercially in abattoirs remove as much residual fat and/or flesh as possible. Fleshing is commonly done with improvised blades, but use of special curved-bladed fleshing knives or fleshing machines is more effective and less likely to generate damage such as cuts and holes. Many hides and skins we receive exhibit residual flesh and fat, especially in the back and belly areas, which should have been removed in the slaughterhouse or by the trader. Unfleshed areas obstruct proper preservation, can lead to spoilage, and adversely affect leather production. Flesh and fat are of no value in manufacturing leather. On the contrary, they are a nuisance, complicating preservation and adding unnecessarily to the weight of material that must be transported and stored. And ultimately, residual fat and flesh on hides and skins delivered to tanneries have to be removed before tanning proper can proceed and disposed of. Whenever flesh and fat are being removed, caution is required to avoid damaging the underlying hide or skin.